how to create multiple product pages that not only look amazing but also convert your visitors into loyal customers. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your store, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. If you don't have an account yet, Shopify offers a 14-day free trial so you can get started without any upfront investment. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens. To create a product page, go to the online store and click on Pages. Then click on Add Page at the top right corner. Now here you can give a title to your page. After giving a title, write some description about your page and then click on Save. Here you can see our first page has been created. After your sample has been created, you can simply duplicate it, and that's how you can create multiple pages in Shopify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel.